Good morning dear students, welcome to my video. Previous videos we have learned how to solve linear equations on one side and number part on the other side. In this video we are going to learn solving equations having the variable on both the sides. So LHS also, RHS also, variables will be there. How you will solve it, that only in this topic section we are going to learn. So one example I will show you. This is exercise 2.3. In that, first sum I will show you. 3x equals 2x plus 18. So both the sides, LHS also, RHS also, you have x variable. Here this is 3x, RHS portion 2x is there. So both the x together you have to bring it. That means this 2x you have to bring it to left hand side. So when you will change the position of before equal symbol or after equal symbol, you have to change the sign. So here it will come 3x no change, 2x will come to this side, so it will change the sign minus 2x equals 18 no change, so positive 18 only. So 3x minus 2x, that is 1x equals 18, or x is equal to 18. 1x means x only, so x equals 18. So this is the way you will solve the equations having variable on both the sides. So both the sides variables, bring it together, number part to the other side, then follow the same method. Second sum, 5t minus 3 equals 3t minus 5. So t is the variable here. Bring both the t's together in one side, that is LHS side. So 5t no change because it is in LHS only. 3t you have to bring it to the other side, change of sign, minus 3t. Here it is positive 3t, it will come as negative 3t equals. So this minus 5 no change, we are not transposing that, but minus 3 you are transposing it to the RHS side. So minus 3 will change to plus 3. What is 5t minus 3t? It is 2t equals minus 5 plus 3. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So instead of addition, you have to do subtraction. 5 minus 3, it is 2. Put greater number sign. Greater number is 5, so sign is negative. So 2t is equal to minus 2. T is equal to minus 2. Here it is multiplication, so it will come as division. Divided by 2, which is equal to, cancel that, it is minus 1. So t value is minus 1. That is the solution of this equation. Next sum, third one, 8x plus 4 equals 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So here first you have to open the bracket. LHS portion as it is you have to keep. 8x plus 4 equals 3 into x and 3 into minus 1. So 3x minus 3 into 1, it is 3 plus 7. Now bring that x portion, x variables together. So that is 8x. This 3x you have to bring it to LHS side. So it will change the sign, minus 3x equals. This no change, minus 3 plus 7 no change. Plus 4 you have to bring it to the other side, or you have to transpose it, change of sign again, minus 4. So 8x minus 3x, it is 5x equals minus 3 plus 7. How much it is? Plus 4. So 4 plus 4 and minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 equals 0. So 5x equals 0. So x is equal to 0. Here it is multiplication. So it will come as division on the other side. So divided by 5, 0 by any number, it is 0 only. So x is equal to 0 is the final answer, or x is equal to 0 is the solution of this linear equation. Next sum is x equals 4 by 5 into x plus 10. First you have to open the bracket. X equals 4 by 5 into x, it is 4 by 5x plus 4 by 5 into 10, 4 by 5 into 10. 5 and 10 you can cancel. 2 times. So x equals 4 by 5x plus 4 2s are 8. So this is the linear equation. Now since the fraction has come, you have to take the LCM. So instead of taking LCM, here one easy method is there. Denominator only 5 is there. So LCM will be 5 only. Now multiply each term with LCM. That is first term LHS portion also, RHS portion also you have to multiply by LCM. So multiplying each term by LCM. So x also you have to multiply, 4 by x, 5x also you have to multiply, 8 also you have to multiply. So 5x equals 4 by 5x into 5 plus 8 into 5. So this 5 and 5 you can cancel it off. So remaining you have to write 5x equals 4 into x, 4x plus 8 5s are 40. Now you have to bring all the x variables together one side, that is LHS side, that is 5x minus 4x equals 40. 40 no change, we are not bringing it to the other side. So 40 sign no change. 5x minus 4x, it is x equals 40. So x equals 40 is the solution of the given linear equation. So fraction whenever it comes, you have to take LCM and multiply each term by LCM. Next sum. Fifth sum, 2x by 3 plus 1 equals 7x by 15 plus 3. Here there is no bracket, so no opening of brackets. Now just take the denominators, find the LCM, 3 and 15. So LCM is 15 itself. Now you have to multiply each term by 15. Multiplying each term by 15. So 2x by 3 into 15 plus 1 into 15 equals 7x by 15 into 15 plus 3 into 15. Each term you have to multiply by LCM. Cancel possible ones. 5 times 15, 15 cancel. Remaining 2 5s are 10x plus 15 equals 7x plus 45. Now x terms together you have to bring. So 10x minus 7x, positive 7x will transpose and will become negative 7x equals 45 is there already, plus 15 you have to transpose it and change it to minus 15. So 10 minus 7 it is 3x equals 45 minus 15 it is 30. 3x is equal to 30. Now x you have to find. Here it is multiplication. So transposing it to the other side, it will change to division. 10. So x is equal to 10. That is the solution of this given linear equation. Hope you understood, children. So practice the sums, homework sums I will give, practice it. Next is exercise 2.4, application sums. First one, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So you have to find the number Amina assumed. So let unknown, you have to take it as x as usual. So let x be the number which Amina assumed. So now next one, next condition you see that number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So you have to subtract 5 by 2 from x. From x means first x you have to write minus 5 by 2. So x minus 5 by 2. When she will subtract that number from x, subtract 5 by 2 from that number, you will get x minus 5 by 2. Next, the result, she multiplies the result by 8. So you have to multiply this. Since it is a binomial, you have to put inside the bracket, multiply by 8 into 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. So what is 3 times the same number? 3 times same number equals 3 into, times means multiplication, 3 into x. So when she subtract 5 by 2 from that number and then multiplies by 8, you will get 3 times the number. So equate these both. So that is x minus 5 by 2 into 8 equals 3x. So this is the equation now. You have to solve it. So whenever bracket comes, first you have to open the bracket. So 8 into x, 8x, minus 8 into 5 by 2 equals 3x. This 8 and 2 you can cancel 4 times. So 8x minus 4 5s are 20 equals 3x. Now x variables you have to bring it together to LHS. So 8x, this 3x you have to bring it to the other side. It will change to minus 3x equals minus 20. You have to transpose it to the other side. It will change the sign. It will become plus 20. So 8 minus 3, it is 5x equals 20. Next step you will be knowing x alone you have to find. Keep the x there. 5 you have to bring it to the other side. Here it is multiplication. It will change to division. 20 by 5 which is equal to 4. So 4 is the number which Amina assumed. Therefore, conclusion you should write. Therefore, number assumed equals 4. So this is the way how verbal sums you have to change it to mathematical statement and then solving it. Hope you understood this sum. Second question is, a positive number is 5 times another number. A positive number is 5 times another number. So which one is unknown? Another number is unknown. So positive number equals 5 times another number. So let x be the another number. So number is equal to 5x. Next, if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? First we will write, make the statement. So let x be another number. So therefore, number is 5 times x. A positive number equals 5 times another number. Another number you have taken it as x. So number is equal to 5x. Then if 21 is added to both the numbers, so x also you have to add 21, 5x also you have to add 21. So when 21 is added, then we get number is equal to x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Both the numbers you have added 21. So x plus 21 and 5x plus 21 are the new numbers now. Now what is the question remaining? One of the new number becomes twice the other. So one of the number, anyone you can take. So we are taking it as 5x plus 21 equals, one of the new number equals twice the other number. 2 times, 2 into. Twice means 2 times. So that is 2 into other number x plus 21. So this is the format. Now open the bracket first. Make it in the linear equation form. Solve it. So 5x plus 21 equals 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 21 is 42. So now this is the linear equation. Bring that x together, number part together. and solve it, find the value of x. Remaining sum, you try it, you will get it. Next sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? So 2-digit number, both unit place digit and tens place digit both are unknown. So let just assume that x, y be the 2 digits of the unknown number. For example, if the number is 54, x is 5 and y is 4. Like that. So here x and y, 2 variables have come. But in linear equation, only one variable you have to use. So you have to change y also in terms of x. For that only, this condition they have given. Sum of the digits of the 2-digit number is 9. So that means x plus y equals 9. Now you can find y. Taking x to the other side, you can find y in terms of x. Y equals 9 minus x. So that means your tens place digit is x and units place digit is 9 minus x. Like that it is. So first we have to assume, let x be the digit in tens place. So x is in tens place, y is in units place. So y value you have found it as 9 minus x. So that you have to write. Don't write y there. You can write everything in terms of x only. Since sum of the digit is 9, unit place digit will be 9 minus x. The form is here. For your information this is, but don't take another variable here. In linear equation only one variable you can use. So one is x means other one will be 9 minus x, since the sum of the digits is 9. Now you got tens place digit and unit place digit also. Whenever you will write the original number, you have to write it in expanded form. These type of sums. For example, if it is same number you take 54, if you are taking means expanded form is, this is in tens position and this is in units position. So 10 into 5, that is tens position number, you have to multiply with 10 plus 4 into 1. This is the expanded form. So this is the original number. 54 you can write in the expanded form as 10 into 5 plus 4 into 1. So original number is this only. Here also the same method you have to follow. Original number you have to write here. So what is the original number? Equals. In expanded form you should write. X is in tens place. So 10 into x plus 9 minus x in units place. So into 9 minus x into 1. That you can write it as 9 minus x only. So that is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. This is also you can simplify it. 10x minus x it is 9x plus 9. So this is the original number. 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. So this is the original number now. Now you got original number. What is the question? When we interchange the digits, so interchange the digit. X will come in units place and 9 minus x will come in tens place. So when interchange, the number is, after interchanging, what is the number? 10 into 9 minus x you should write, because 9 minus x is in tens position and x is in units position, x into 1. So this is the number after interchanging. So now multiply it. 10 nines are 90 minus 10x plus x. You can simplify a little more. 90 minus 10x plus x. One is negative, one is positive. You have to subtract it and put greater number sign. So 10 minus 1, it is 9x. Greater number is 10. So sign you have to put negative only. So this is the number after interchanging. Now what you have to do? See that condition. Next condition. It is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. This new number equals original number plus 27. It is more than, greater than means you have to add. So that is new after interchanging number equals 27 more than original number. Original number is 9x plus 9 plus 27. So this is the format. Now you have got statement converted to linear equation form. So that is 90, this 9x, you can bring it to the minus 9x to one side, number part this side. So 90 plus 9, it will change to minus 9 when it will come to LHS. Minus 27 plus 27 also you have to bring it to the other side. It will become minus 27 equals 9x is here only. This minus x, 9x, you have to change it to the other side. It will become plus 9x. If I take this 9x this side, it will become negative. So only for getting a positive answer, I have taken to the other side. Nothing other than that. You can take this side also, no problem. Now 90 minus 9, it is 81. 81 minus 27, how much it will come? 81 minus 27. 11 minus 7, it is 4. This will become 7. 7 minus 2, it is 5. So 54. So 54 equals 9 plus 9, 18x. Or 54, this 18 you have to bring it to the other side, it will become division. Divided by 18 equals x. Cancel 3 times, so x is equal to 3. So the number in digit in the units place, tens place is 3. Now you have to find the number in units place. So how you will find? For finding that, you have to put in this original number. So original number equals 9x plus 9. In this, when you will substitute x value, you will get the full number. The 2-digit number you will get. So that is equal to 9 into 3 plus 9 equals 27 plus 9, which is equal to 36. So 3 is x, that is tens place digit, and 6 is y, which is the unit place digit. So therefore the number is 36. Then the unit place digit is 6 and tens place digit is 3. So hope you understood, children. Practice the sum. This sum is important sum. Next sum is Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So present ages are unknown. So let us assume that Shobo's age be x. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So Shobo's present age, you have to take it as unknown. Mother's age will be 6 into x. Mother's age equals 6x. So if Shobo's age is x, 6 times is mother's age. So mother's age will be 6x. Now, Shobo's age 5 years from now, that means after 5 years. So after 5 years, what will be their ages? After 5 years, what will be your age? Your present age plus 5. So everyone's like that only. After 5 years, age will become plus 5. So now if it is your age is 10 means it will become 15 after 5 years. So you have to add plus 5. Now Shobho's age after 5 years equals x plus 5. What will be mother's age then? 6x plus 5. It will increase by 5. So Shobho's age after 5 years is x plus 5 and mother's age will be 6x plus 5. Now what is the condition given? Shobho's age after 5 years is equal to 1/3 of, that is 1 by 3 into mother's present age. Mother's present age, not after 5 years age. So Shobho's age after 5 years equals 1 by 3 into mother's present age. So what is Shobho's age after 5 years? It is x plus 5 equals 1 by 3 into, what is mother's present age? It is 6x. Now you got the linear equation. X plus 5 equals 1 by 3 into 6x. 3 and 6 you can cancel 2 times. So that is x plus 5 equals 2x. Now solve the linear equation. Bring all that x variables together one side. Here 2x is greater, so bring this x to the other side, you will get positive answer. So 5 you keep it here only, equals 2x, and this x will go to the other side, minus x it will come. So 5 is equal to 2x minus 1x, it is x. So x is equal to 5. So what is Shobho's age now? Shobho's present age equals 5 years. What is mother's age? Mother's present age equals 6x, 6 into 5, that is 6 5s are 30 years. So this is the final answer. Mother's present age is 6 into Shobho's age, that is 6 into 5, it is 30 years. So hope you understood, children. Practice daily all the sums. These verbal sums especially you have to practice, otherwise you will not get it. Now some few homework sums, children. Exercise 2.3, solve 5x plus 9 equals 5 plus 3x. Second one, 4z plus 3 equals 6 plus 2z. Third one, 2x minus 1 equals 14 minus x. Fourth one, 2y plus 5 by 3 equals 26 by 3 minus y. LCM you have to take and do. LCM is 3 only. Next one, 3m equals 5m minus 8 by 5. Here also LCM you have to take, multiply each term by LCM. Next one, verbal sum. Arjun is twice old as Shreya. 5 years ago means you have to subtract it. His age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find their present ages. Simple sum only. Try to do that. Practice the sums every day, children. Thank you, children.